Welcome back. We just unboxed the brand new iPhone 13 mini that we picked up. So if you guys want to check out what's inside the box, go ahead and take a look at that video. We also picked up this 13 mini MagSafe Leather Case. All right, this is from natural leather. It's made of natural leather, $60 price point, and it is directly from Apple. It's for the iPhone 13 mini. And we're going to just be opening that and showing you guys exactly how to put it on. So if we open up this package here, let me see. Go ahead and push it out from the bottom. All right, let's place that to the side here. All right, so there is our Apple leather case. All right, so $60 for this guy. Let's see what's in it here. Is that a screen protector? Nope. Just tearing this thing to shits here. All right, so gives you the basic instructions. And let's go ahead and take this guy out. Well, it's nice. It's got a little inside kind of furry component, probably scratch proof on the back of your iPhone mini. You got your buttons on the side that it lays out nice for you. Gives you space for the camera, of course. And we're going to simply slide this guy in. $60, big price point, but that is what it's going to look like once it's all set and done. It does have this little beautiful edge right around the phone, so if you did kind of drop it or place it down, as you guys can see here on the table, it's going to not bang against the glass. Same on the camera. That's one of the nice things. It has this little ridge, so if we're dropping the phone, that's not going to affect the camera on the back. Those are kind of the two nice subtle elements of this case, besides for it being leather. If you press the buttons, you can turn around and press these buttons. They work very well, and there's not really that much space allowed to turn on and off. See, my thumb kind of gets stuck there on the side, but overall great case. You can go ahead and turn it off, turn it on.